So I want to share something that happened to me today and get your thoughts and maybe how you would have handled it. As a professional woman in a male-dominated field, I think it's really important to point out microaggressions when we see them. So many times we don't even recognize that it's happening because it happens so frequently. So let me give you an example. So you guys know that I am a huge patient advocate, and today I was in a meeting with a large insurance company with 8 or 9 other male surgeons, and we were all coming together as a unified force to speak to something that we feel should be covered for our patients. Mind you, the physicians that were on the insurance company were also men. So just to set the tone, I am the only woman physician on this call. We're presenting all the evidence-based data and how we feel this particular procedure is beneficial to patients. And there are about 5 other male physicians that speak in front of me. And I get to my portion of the slideshow and I get no fewer than maybe 9 words out of my mouth before I'm immediately cut off by those physicians that were on the insurance company side. Mind you, I have not presented any data. Did they question or interrupt anyone before me after about 20 minutes on this phone call? Absolutely not. And at any point further in the entire presentation, did anyone else get cut off? No, they didn't. So the point I want to make with this whole thing is that these continued microaggressions over time just further make women feel like we're inferior or that we can't belong in a room full of men. Do I think that that was done intentionally? No, but it just reinforces that behavior that it's okay to do that. So how I handled it is that I immediately stopped what I was saying. I redirected it back to the initial information that I was there to discuss, and most importantly, I didn't let it rattle me because, to be quite honest, I'm used to it. So I think as women, it's really important to recognize when this behavior happens and just to realize that you cannot let it rattle you and you need to point it out when it happens, because the more we recognize microaggressions, the more we can learn from them. And that's not just me, but it's the other people that do it. And I don't really feel like it was done intentionally, but it's just a behavior that can be perpetuated over time, and recognizing it is key. So I'm curious to all the other women out there, if this happens to you, how do you handle it?